Last week, we installed Visual Studio Code and learned how to navigate through a node project. This week, we'll learn how to create a new JavaScript file, and we will create our very first JavaScript program. This is pretty exciting, so let's get started right now. So let's open up our Visual Studio Code. You will probably see that the Learning JavaScript project will open up in VS Code automatically. But if for some reason you don't see it, you can go to the File menu and then look for Open Recent and then find your project there. So last week we talked about the package.json file, and we saw that the main file in our project is going to be index.js, but we don't have that file. So let's create that file now. We'll go over to the left pane where we see our Learning JavaScript project. Right next to that is a little icon that means New File. So we will click on that and we'll give our file a name, index.js, click Return, and now you've created the file. Let's learn our first JavaScript command. Our first JavaScript command will be console.log. This is a very simple command that just instructs the program to print something out into the terminal so that you can see logs for your program or any other message that you want to send. So we need to add parentheses, and then within the parentheses, we'll include the message that we want to add. Let's do the very traditional hello world. And now we will save our program. And now we can run our program with this command, node index.js. And we can see there in the console, there is our hello world message. You have just run your very first JavaScript program. But let's learn one more thing today. Let's learn how to make this into a script. We'll go back to our package.json file. And remember, we have a scripts section where we can put various scripts that we want to run associated with the project. Let's get rid of this test script right now because we're not using it. And let's add in a new script that will give us the very command that we just used to run our index.js file. So we will call this script start. And then we'll put a colon. And now we'll put in the command that we want to run. The command that we want to run is node index.js. And now we'll save that. And now, instead of typing node index.js, now we can type in the command npm run start. What this is saying is that npm should run one of the scripts we've got in the package.json file, and that script is called start. So when we run it, it executes the command that we gave it in the script, which was node index.js, and it ran it, and there we have hello world again. Okay, the last thing we'll do today is we will commit our code. We want to save all of the changes that we make every week. Just in case something happens to our project on our local computer, we can always pull it down again from GitHub. So let's do a git status. And you can see that we have changed one file and we've added one file. Let's do a little shortcut to add both of those files. We will do git add and then -A. That will add both of those files in. And you can see that if you type in git status, you can see that those are green now, so they've been added. Now let's commit the files, git commit -m, and we will say adding in the index.js file. And then we can do git push origin main. And now we've pushed our code to GitHub, and now it will be there for us if we need it again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found my training helpful, please like this video and share it with others. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single lesson. If you're enjoying Monday Morning Automation and you'd like to learn even faster, be sure to check out my book, The Complete Software Tester, which is available in Kindle and paperback on Amazon.com.